Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Instagram features you can't use. I opened Instagram recently and noticed some features were just missing. No new stickers, no updates. Felt like my app was stuck in the past. So the first thing I checked was the app version. I went to the Play Store, searched for Instagram, and made sure it was fully updated. That alone can fix a lot of missing feature issues since Instagram rolls things out through updates. If everything's updated but features still aren't showing up, I go inside the app, tap my profile, open the menu, then head into Settings and Activity. Go ahead and click on Help, and then Account Status, Features you can't use. This section actually tells you if anything is restricted or not unavailable on your account. If nothing shows there, I try a quick refresh. On Android, I go to Settings, and then click on Apps, and then Instagram, and now you click on Storage, then clear cache or reinstall the app. Sometimes it's just a glitch, and honestly, in some cases, Instagram rolls features out slowly, so a bit of patience can also do the trick. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.